is just burnt off from that. Whoa. That just touched me. Yeah, that's pretty scary. I don't like that. It doesn't look like it's arcing off the tree. It looks like it just arced off of the some of it. That is the first time I've seen an arc on a power line. Woo! There's probably gonna be more of that. Now it's changed on it. Oh, here comes another gust. Oh, geez, that's very close. Yeah, it looks like the tree limb just came and whacked it and pulled it out of the clamp or something. Oh, geez. Oh, there's... Oh. Oh, dear. I got stuck. That was a longer one. Oh, here comes another gust, I think. Ooh. Oi, oi, oi. Ugh. At least that's just a branch line. It's... Oh wait, no, that's not fused. Okay, oh. Oh, it's touching it. Yeah, that's not fused off the main line. That's just... So that could just come off the main line and just keep arcing. Ooh. Oh, oh. Oh my gosh, this is so nerve-wracking. This car going by. Oh, there it goes. Oh my gosh, that kid's face. Oh, that kid's face was... That was amazing.
That was hilarious.
Did you see his face? He was like shocked, surprised, all of the different emotions at the same time. That was pretty dang funny. And the battery's dead. I am so upset.
There were only 2 people ahead of me.
Well, other power outages, like, just
Yeah.
all over. And some of them could be emergencies.
Oh. Arcing 13,000 volts on a lightning arrestor, something like that. Is that right?
Sort of.
Okay, what is it?
There's a line going to a lightning arrestor. It looks like a tree got blown into it by the wind and it knocked it off the lightning arrestor. So it's arcing off of a frame for a cutout and the lightning arrestor. So it's just every now and then the branches will push it into the frame and it will arc again. And there's no cutout between it and the main line.
Do you have an address?
Yeah, that's Idaho Power.
Yeah, they just, I
Okay.
think they might know where we are.
Ooh, dear. Oh, they opened the cutout. Okay, I see. Shall we get him? Yeah, there
I thought the transformer just blew out. Yeah. No. That's for sure transformer. I spent like
this
15
cutout.
minutes on the phone with Idaho Power and then it chimed in again. Is this emergency? Because it's not yet, but it's about to be. Last call, I was thinking all of that.
Oh, I didn't know that they did that. It snaps off. I'm going in there.
Oh yeah? They're probably lost. Yeah, they got lost. I went to the little Walmart to find the used install and just like this up.
Oh gosh, here comes the wind again.
Oh yeah, mine all didn't burn out. Looks like like that way down. Oh, well, I went back through here and the sprees, the weeds along your guys' side of the pit, but somehow managed to kill them over there one line. Well, he just comes through the nose. Well, they can look at it.
There we go. Power's back on. Cool. Thanks. Oh yeah. Oh, that's awesome. No. Oh, there. Oi, there's, oh dear. Oi, there's, oh dear. Oi, there's, oh dear.